Happy birthday, Nick.
We'll put this up forever.
And I'm going in the swimming pool today.
Oh, you guys fun.
You're gonna throw us?
I'll throw every one of you guys in.
Me and my sister are not allowed to go swimming. Me and my sister are not allowed to go swimming. Mom said, I learned what that was. He scared. He scared me yesterday. Hey, I got thrown into a snowball.
Nick,
So have I.
how old are you?
That big? Huh?
How old are you?
4.
Bigger than that.
How old?
You guys hungry?
11. No.
You hungry? You hungry? You hungry? You hungry?
No.
So nobody wants
What's
hot
your name?
dogs?
Me and my sister
What's your name?
shouldn't be hungry because we just have anything
What's your name?
before I came Martina.
What's your name?
So nobody wants a hot dog.
What's your name?
Zach.
What's your name? How old are you? When's your birthday? How old are you?
9.
When's your birthday?
September 8th.
How old are you?
5.
When's your birthday?
January after Christmas.
January what?
5th.
How old are you?
5th. I'm 9 and my birthday is September 30th.
When's your birthday?
Today,
How old are you?
11.
What's today?
June 17th.
So Nick's the oldest here,
Yeah.
and one of the smallest.
How old are you?
He's 3. 3.5.
I don't give the information out, sorry.
When's your birthday?
I can't remember. You're not supposed to ask people their age. It's rude.
Especially when they're over the hill.
I'm 22, and my birthday is October 7th.
Whatever.
No, we won. What's
You want to go swimming now, boy?
He's 0.
You want to go swimming now?
He's not even born.
Huh?
Yeah.
Want to go swimming my way?
He'll throw you out the window. No.